flight. Drivers behind the line. 3, 2, 1, go!
Let's see what our qualification match number one has for us. Our three teams on the Red Alliance up and moving, delivering that autonomous gear. 846, the Funky Monkeys trying to get that gear delivered. Over on the Blue Alliance, we had a successful gear delivery by the Space Keys on the Blue Alliance, delivering that gear and getting that rotor spinning in the autonomous mode, earning an extra 20 points in addition to the 40 points earned for each spinning rotor. These teams have to make their way across the field to their retrieval zones and grab those gears from their human players. Over on the Blue Alliance, already, we've got 41-71. The Baybots, they're up in line with their human player in their retrieval zone. They've grabbed that gear and they're making way back over to their blue airship. Red Robots on doing the same. Looks like 51-71 in the middle of the field. They're headed over to pass that blue airship to grab a gear of their own. The Funky Monkeys, they've got a gear in their machine. They're trying to line up on that gear loading, and their human player has pulled that up into their machine. Both teams have one rotor spinning now. It looks like the Red Alliance, they've got 2 gears delivered by their Alliance partner Robots, and they've got their second rotor spinning as well, bringing the Red Alliance up to a score of 95. We've got 2 rotors spinning on both alliances. 51-71 over on the Red Alliance. They are lining up with their retrieval zone, grabbing one of those gears, headed back across the field. Just over a minute remaining now, 41-71, back over to their retrieval zone, grabbing one more gear. Both these teams looking to get their third rotor spinning. The first rotor only takes 1 gear, second rotor takes 2 gears, third rotor takes 4 gears delivered by these robots, back and forth across the field, delivered onto those gear springs and brought aboard by those human players. Red Alliance has one of those 4 gears they require for their third rotor. Blue Alliance still needs 4 more, 41-71. Baybots making their way back across the field, up to the airship, looking to grab 1 more gear as we got just over 30 seconds remaining. When we get to these final 30 seconds, these teams will be looking to climb aboard those airships as the drivers and the pilots release those lines. There's the final 30 seconds. As the drivers prepare to release those lines, we're under 30 seconds now. Robots preparing to climb aboard these airships. If these robots can climb aboard, they'll earn an additional 50 points per robot climb. We had some shots looked like by the Funky Monkeys up onto that high efficiency boiler, but now we've got 10 seconds remaining. These teams looking to climb aboard. 51-71, they are ready for takeoff, earning 50 additional points for their team over on the Blue Alliance. There's 2 robots aboard with 1 second remaining and 0 as time expires. At the end of match number 1. Those airships taking flight as we have your official scores coming to the screen. It's the Blue Alliance crossing that finish line first with a score of 240. As you can see on that screen, it's the